story time. So this is my cat, Snoopy. Last week, I was in New Orleans with my sister, and we go to Saks, and we see a Fendi store. So my sister loves Fendi. She's got like 2 Peekaboos. And we go in, and the sales assistant is like, hey, we just got these brand new Fendis in at the store. So we go in, we take a look, and I'm like, ooh, this one looks great. Sorry, it's my cat if you hear him playing. And my sister's like, do you want me to get you an early Christmas present? You can pick one out. And I'm like, stop playing with me. And she goes, no, I'm serious. I was like, well, okay. So took me like maybe, I don't know, we were there for a while. It took me a long time to pick one out. And it was between this plain Fendi Peekaboo made out of Solaria leather, and then there was this other brand new one that just came off, and it had like a design on it on the front, and on the back it was plain. So both of them were the same exact color, and I just had to pick which one I wanted to get. So which one do you think I got? And we'll do a quick unboxing. Okay, so here we go. It's beautiful shipping. So we got this on Saturday, and then they mailed it out on a Monday, and it was next day delivery. Oh, geez. Okay. Oh, I have to even tie this. Let me fast forward that. Okay. Miss Leslie. Hi, Miss Leslie. It was a great pleasure helping you on Friday. That was a Friday. I hope you enjoy your first I See You small peekaboo. It's gorgeous. Please reach out to me if you need anything. That's so cute. It's on a little Fendi, like cardboard. Note. I love that. So this is the one I picked. What do you guys think? So it's got the front, very gorgeous, and then the back is plain. I kind of love it. So I will have a full review of this bag coming up really soon. I'm gonna use it for a little bit so I can get used to it, and we'll come back with a full review and see what fits. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.